Welcome to my YouTube studio, and here we have is the Honda HS520 snow thrower. This mini series we're going to be showing you inspection of the spark plug. We're going to change the auger, we're going to change the belt, and we're going to change the oil, and we're going to just make sure everything's adjusted correctly. A simple and unconventional way. So what's the first thing we're going to do? Look at the spark plug. We're going to reference you to the spark plug. You can go onto Amazon, you can go to eBay or your local hardware auto store. You're looking for NGK, the brand BPR5ES. The part number is 98079-55846. That is the spark plug. An extension, a ratchet, and a 13/16 socket for the spark plug is needed. Let's make sure we connect this. Pull the tab, lift off the cable, the plug, place over the spark plug, lefty loosey, righty tighty. The spark plug, you can see how nice and dirty it is, and you have a gapping tool. And what you can do is measure the gap, the thin side first to the thick side. And that's where we have our spark plug. There are two different sides to the gap. And when we measure it, you'll find the correct information online. You then could take anti-seize, and you could put anti-seize. Some do, some don't. Some recommend, some say you don't. Everything's all back together by simply reversing order. Don't over tighten. There are torque specs. If you like for me to check out the torque spec, I will do so. I'm not sure how much it is, but I don't over torque things. Put the cap back on, snap everything back into place, and congratulate yourself. You changed out, inspected your spark plug. This will need to be changed soon. Please make sure you don't get any fake spark plugs out there for $20. These plugs used to go for $2 to $5 per. You can get one for about $7, and it'll keep you running forever. I got a whole bunch of parts here. Let's get to the other videos, and I hope to see you on them soon. Have a great day. This episode of inspecting the spark plug.